You're funny with the drunken eyes. What's up, buddy? How you doing?
Hiccups. Dang it.
They surprise you, don't they?
Those dang hiccups. Oh.
How you doing this morning? How you doing?
Hiccups.
How you doing this morning? Just got done with the feeding.
A big one.
Yeah, and this is what he does about every time.
Ooh.
After the feedings.
Mom and Dad are trying to get him to know it's daytime. Got the blinds open. Can you look at Mama? Can you look at Mama? Hi. Hi, gorgeous. Oh, those mean old hiccups. Mom just hates them. Yes, he's like, help. You just can't get rid of them.
Takes pats on the back to get rid of them.
Hey, come on. Yeah. Oh. Wow.
That's probably good enough, isn't it?
Mom just took him.